Hello there, my name is Emin Mamedov, I'm represent company IT-Sputnik, and in this video I want you to show how we can change Kanban view of each deal or lead card for better understanding type of that deal, and how you can change view when you create a deal, when you click here. Okay, so for example, I had created a deal and I put some information, currency, contacted a contact. So in contact I got the salutation, name, surname, photo, and position, and some contact data. And I want you to show that data inside of that card for better understanding. So it's very simple. You need to go to that URL, Kanban settings, configure view from the fields. Then you need to select, for example, responsible person, ID of the deal, currency, and in contact, for example, photo, salutation, first name, last name, and position. Okay, for the company, you can just put company name and ID of the company. And probably it's necessary to put here responsible person, which is by default here, or responsible person of the company or the contact, and save. So you got another type of a deal card. You got name of the deal, amount, ID, responsible person of the deal, photo, salutation, name, position, and company name. Okay, so it's more, I would say, viewable deal card. Also the same story when you create a quick deal. To change your view, you need to, for example, when you click here, you got that view, which is already modified by me, but to change it, you need to configure create from form fields. So you need to select, for example, responsible person, type, and about deal, customer amount, currency, save. So when you click add, you got all that information which I mentioned in that settings. So also you can select save that view and assign that as standard if you admin for everybody. Set the standard profile view for all users. Okay, so that's it. If you have questions, if you like the video, click like. If you have questions, ask your questions under that in comments under that video. Thank you and bye bye.